Hello there, my gems. How you doing? So today we're gonna be showing you how to bleach a closure. Something so simple yet so complicated at the same time. So right now we have our closure from my company. You're gonna need a mixing bowl, a knife, Shimmer and Lights conditioner, your whisk, 30 volume developer, and your powder lightener. We're gonna take 1 scoop of the powder. We're gonna add developer to it, but when you put the developer, you just want it to be thick. So I would pour as you go until it gets to a thick consistency, because you don't want it to be too runny and it will seep through the lace. I'm also going to add the Shimmer and Lights to prevent the lace from being too brassy, because it will be very, very orange once you put the bleach in it. Now we have our closure. Take your knife and slowly, gently, don't push too much, spread that thing out like butter. Now that you're done, you take it, flip it over so that the bleach side is on the aluminum foil. The aluminum foil kind of gives it some heat and help the bleach develop faster. I'm gonna set my timer for 10 minutes. Now that my time is over, I decided to check the closure to see if it's to my liking. I took a comb with a metal tip just so I could part it to see how it is. When I checked it, some of the knots were still dark, so I kept it in a little bit longer. I put it in for another 10 minutes. Finally, I was satisfied with the way the coloring looked. And now you want to wear gloves. If you didn't wear gloves before, make sure you wear gloves now, because you're going to be bleaching it actually using your hands, and this thing burns, okay? So use cold water the whole time to wash out your closure. This is a neutralizing shampoo. This shampoo is what will stop the bleaching process. If you don't use a neutralizing shampoo, what will happen is that slowly over time, you're gonna notice that your wig is gonna start to have bald spots. And why? Because it's still bleaching. Slowly but surely, it is still bleaching. So you're going to scrub this closure as if your life depended on it, because it kind of does, guys. It really does. You're going to scrub to the point where the shampoo starts to turn pink. It's not orange anymore. So what's going to happen is I'm going to do this shampoo twice just to make sure that the lace is still not bleaching. I just better safe than sorry. So once I'm done completely rinsing out the closure, Now I will take my Shimmer and Lights conditioner and we're gonna put that on. I'm kind of extra, so I put on a lot. What happened here is I kind of left it over for a whole day because I had some things I was doing. And as you can see, the Shimmer and Lights is kind of sticking to the lace. So all you have to do is rinse it. And what I ended up having to do was get a container, fill it up with water, and let the lace sit in there. And then I added more Shimmer and Lights. And now you're starting to see how natural the scalp, you see I got excited, guys. You're gonna see how natural the closer looks. It looks more like a scalp now. And when you do put it against your hand, you see how nice it flows. You see me? All right. And what you will not see in this video is me just taking the closure, putting it on a towel to let it air dry until it is ready to be used. I hope you guys have a great day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave any comments, any questions, anything down below. And I will see you guys next time. See you later, my gems.